In the previous tutorials, we have seen the email generators, and we changed the email generators into joke generators. And we also checked out the image generators and made some modification to our own version. Today, let's look at the chat. So copy to my project. Now I have the copy of the AI chat. Let's first give it a preview. The chat application is one of the most popular forms of today's large language model applications. A lot of people really blow their mind by the ChatGPT, make the people feel there's intelligence behind that. And Google has this Gemini, and this is Google's latest move. There's also a very popular AI app called Character.ai, lets you talk to all those kind of virtual characters like a human. Let's look at what agent can build. Here is the chat. Hello, how can I assist you today? Let's just random chat. Do you know what's ArcBlock? Oh, apparently he knows ArcBlock. So what's the benefit of using ArcBlock? It's pretty cool, right? So I can tell you, so my name is Robert, and I work for ArcBlock. Can you give me some brief information about the industry ArcBlock in? Cool. But give me some brief information about ArcBlock. So I say, what's blockchain? That's pretty cool. And also you can see this AI pod give me recommendations to have the follow-up questions. I can say, can you explain the concept of smart contract and the role in the blockchain industry? So it does give me pretty good sense. I can also say, do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? Where do I work? Great. It remembered that I worked for ArcBlock. So I say, I have a dog named Bark. He is 14. That's lovely. Okay, cool. Do you know, say, who is Bark? Awesome. It knows Bark is 14 years old. That's awesome. This is a pretty decent chatbot. It knows a lot of things, knows about ArcBlock. It also remembers. So let's look at how it is implemented. It's actually pretty simple. We use large language model, so it responds to the user's anything that user type in. Large language model going to response, and one of the input we can see here is called a chat history, and the chat history was put into a prompt to let the large language model know that here is a history you need to reference. That's why the chatbot remember who I am and what's my dog's name. And from the output, you can see there's a few variables. For example, there are suggest questions. That basically means whenever the large language model think there is something it wants to suggest to you, it's going to give you suggest questions. There's also reference links. From the app side, we can see the children, of course, is AI chat, and the layout setting is a simple chat. So this looks like a chat interface. And because we have the history building, so the chat does remember what I have talked. It's super simple, right? Just a few lines, you get this chat, which is equivalent to ChatGPT 3.5. If you change this to GPT-4 model, now basically you can talk to GPT-4. You probably didn't feel anything, but this has been changed to the GPT-4. What's ArcBlock? So apparently the GPT-4 is a little bit slower, but it also know a little bit more information. As you can see, it gave me the ArcBlock official website, and it is the right website. Pretty cool, right?